Hello friends, good morning. Today we solve a question of GFG and the question is missing in array. Okay, so first of all let's read the question. You are given an array of size n minus 1, okay, that contain the distinct integers in the range from 1 to n, okay, where n is included. Means here you have given size n minus 1 and the number is from 1 to n. In array the number is from 1 to n. Okay. Means let's suppose if the let's suppose uh, I explain with this example. In this example the size is 4. Size of the array is 4. Okay. Size of the array is 4 means the number in the array should be 1 to 5 because n minus 1 is equal to 4. Then uh, the number in the array is from 1 to n means 1 to 5. Okay, so the element should be in the array of size 4 should be from 1 to 5. Okay, so after that this array represent a permutation of integers from 1 to n with a one element missing. Okay, means array contain an number from 1 to n and from 1 to n there is a one number that is missing. Your task is to identify and return the missing element. Okay, our task is to find the missing number. Okay, so the number is from 1 to n. Here n is equal to 5, so the number 1 is present, 2 is present, 3 is present, but 4 is not present, and after that 5 means 4 number is missing and you have to return that number, that is 4. Okay, so let's I explain it more. So the example is this: 1 2 3 and 5. Okay, this is our array where the size of the array is 5, sorry 4. Size is 4 means here n minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, size is 4 but the number is from 1 to n means 1 to 5. Okay, as we study in our junior classes that sum of sum of n number is equal to n star n plus 1 by 2. Star means here multiplying. Okay, and here n is equal to what, 5, so we put in the place of n 5. Here 5 plus 1 means 6 by 2. 2 3 are 6 and 5 3 are 15. So here 15 is your answer. And here 15 is what? Here 15 is when you sum from 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Okay, here this is the 15. And the next thing that you have to do, this is sum, you find it. Okay, and to determine the missing number you have to uh, do a for loop. Here you have applied a for loop to sum the all the elements of the array, and after that sum subtract that sum from this sum and you will get what, the missing number. So you have to iterate this array to get the sum 1. Here let's suppose another variable, that is sum 1, which represent the sum of all element which is present in the array. So the first number is 1. Let's its initial value is 0. Okay, and if you add 1 to this number you will get 1. And next element is 2. 2 plus 1 you will get 3. Okay, after that 3, so 3 3 3 6, and 6 plus 5 11. Okay, so the missing number you will get by subtracting the sum, means this number, and sum 1. If you subtract 15 minus 11, you will get 4. Okay, you will get 4. So this is your missing number. Okay, so let's do the code. So first of all, we have to find what? Sum. So let initialize a variable n which store the size of array. Okay, size of array. So you have to, first thing that you have to do is this sum. You have to determine this sum. So here n, here n is equal to array of size, but m is equal to n plus 1. Here m is equal to what? Here m means let's here in this example size is 4, but the number is from 1 to 5. So 5 is equal to what? Size plus 1. So that 5 is represented by here m. So m is equal to what? N plus 1. So int sum is equal to 0. Let's initialize a variable sum. Sum represent this. Okay, here in the place of n, that is we use m variable. Okay, so sum is equal to m star m plus 1. Okay, plus 1 divided by 2. Here this is sum, and to find out the sum 1, you have to iterate the what? Array to find the sum 1. So sum 1, let's initialize it with 0 and iterate to find the sum 1. I is equal to 0 and I should be less than this n and I plus. So sum 1 is equal to sum 1 plus array of I, and to get the missing number you have to simply return what? Sum minus sum 1. Okay, let's run it. Okay, let's submit it. Yeah, it's working. And there is a one method more to solve this, and that method is XOR method. Okay, XOR method. So the second method to solve this is XOR method, and the two rules that you have to remember to solve this with the XOR method. And the first rule is that if you do the XOR of any number with itself, it will give you 0. Okay, and if you XOR any number with just 0, it will give you the same number. Okay, so I'll explain you with an example. Let's suppose here the size of array is 2. I take this array as a size of 2, but you know that if the size of the array is 2, then n is equal to 3, means size plus 1, means the number that is present in the array is from 1 to n, where n is equal to 3. Okay, so the thing that you have to do is that simply you have to XOR all the elements present in the array, and XOR all the element present in the array, XOR it with number from 1 to n. So n is equal to here 3. This XOR one is simply you are doing the XOR of all the element, and XOR 2 is here n is equal to 3, so simply you are doing the XOR from 1 to 3. And the last thing that you have to do the XOR both JOR 1, JOR 1, JOR, this is JOR, okay, yeah, this is JOR, JOR 2, and if you JOR this and this both, this one is this, okay, and you are doing the JOR with full expression this, and this one is this, and simply you know the rule that the JOR with itself give the 0, so this and this will give the 0, and this will give the 0, okay, and when you do the JOR of 2 with the 0, the result that you get is 2, okay. So simply you are getting the missing number in this array. The missing number is what? The 2. So this is the second method to find out the missing number. So let's code it. So simply all I have to delete this thing, and this 2 thing is same. So first of all you have to find the JOR 1, XOR 1, and simply initialize it with the 0, because you know that when you JOR any number with the 0, you get that number itself, okay. So second thing, that is JOR 2, and same I'm initializing it with the 0. So JOR 1 is what? JOR of all element that is present in the array. So simply I'm using the for loop, I is less than n, I plus plus, and I have to do JOR 1 is equal to XOR 1, and this is the symbol of JOR and with array of I, okay. And the next thing, that is JOR 2. For the JOR 2 is what? Here n is equal to 3, so JOR is from 1 to n, and here n is equal to n, that means here that this n here is m. So for int I is equal to 1, I less than equal to m, I plus plus, and XOR 2 is equal to XOR 2, and simply XOR with I. And the last thing that you have to return, XOR 1, XOR 2, okay. Let's compile and run. Yeah, it is working. Let's submit it. Yeah, it is working. So I hope you get the point how to solve this question, and the concept you get it, okay. And I hope you get the code also. So thank you very much.